Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to see different time frames in the trading view while seeing the chart. Most people get confused, so today we'll see how it works. So click on the chart from the home page of the trading view. Right, so right now we are in the HDFC Bank, and as you can see there are some time intervals, okay, at the bottom, right, and at the top also. So currently we have chosen the candlestick charts, and in my previous videos I've explained how to switch between different types of charts in the trading view. So please check that video if you want to know how to switch the charts. So consider we are in this candlestick chart. So the topmost time frame thing explain each candle, so if I click 5, then after every 5 minutes, see I have clicked here, I have moved my arrow over here, and but you have to see over here also, okay, it will show you date and time here, this black box, okay. So focus on that, this on black box, 13 July 1930, okay, then it will be simple to understand. So I have moved my arrow in this candle. So what is the time below? It's 9:30. I move on the next, it is 9:35. I move up the next, it is 9:40. As you can see, the candle, a new candle is getting created after every 5 minutes. Why is that? Because what we have chosen that we want to see a candle, a new candle after every 5 minutes. So every candle represents something, right, some price, some points. So we want to see those price movement changes after every 5 minutes. So that is why a new candle is getting created, and how to read candlesticks I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. So now if I click on 15 and I move my arrow over here, so at the bottom it is 9:30, move next, it is 9:45, that is after 15 minutes, now 10, again after 15 minutes. So if you choose 5, every candle will be created after the 5 minutes. If you choose 15, and then every new candle will be created after every 15 minutes. Same goes for the 30, same goes for the 75. So this thing represents your candle creation time interval, okay, after how many times a new candle should be created. So if I choose 1 hour, it will show 1 hour candle, right? So this is 14:15, that is 2 p.m. 15 minutes. Go to next, 15:50, this is the other day. So 9:15, and then 10:15, and then 11:15, after every 1 hour. So these are the different candle intervals we can say, we can choose from. So there is 5, 15, 13 minutes, 75 minutes, 125 minutes. So if you click over here, it will show you all the different candle intervals which are available, right? So you can also see a 1 minute candle, okay, what is happening in the 1 minute candle. So right now the market is live, as you can see in 1 minute we can see every movement of that particular candle of the price in that 1 minute. And there is also one unique features in the trading view, that see, it is showing the time 1 second. After 1 second, after 50 seconds, it will create a new candle. So because we have chosen the 1 minute, right, so the time left to create a new window the moment this candle completes is like, now it is 40 seconds. So this candle was at 9:55, so the next candle will be created at 9:56. and right now the time remaining is 30 seconds. As you can see, in 30 seconds so much of price movement. So in the lowest time interval the market is very volatile. That's why it is commonly suggested that we shouldn't be trading at the lower time frame. Mostly people do 15 minutes, 30 minutes or more than that. So as you can see, just after 6 seconds, 5 seconds, a new candle will be created. So this is 9:55 and the next will be at 9:56. See, 9:56, a new candle is created, right? So this is how this candle interval things work. And if you click here, there are different time intervals. Okay, so instead of going here again and again, what we can do, mark it as favorite. So I want 2 hours time frame as my favorite in my favorite list, and 3 hours also. So as you can see, the 2 hours and 3 hours is coming over here. So you don't have to go over here again and again, it will just come over here. So you can switch from here only. So after every 2 hours, so this is 9:15, this is 11:15. After 2 hours a new candle is created, right? So if I want to remove it, just uncheck this star symbol and those time frames will be removed. So these are my favorite time intervals for the time analysis. Okay, so now what we need to do, this one shows the for entire chart for that particular duration. So this was for the each candle, and this is a kind of complete time frame, we can say. So if I click on 1 day, this entire window, you can see this entire window is of 1 day. Okay, so here see 13 July 9:16. If you go in the middle, 13 July 11:57. If you go here, 13 July 13 20 37. If you go over here, 13 July 15:29, right? And this is the next day. But in the entire the most part of the screen will show you the candles from one particular day only. So this is of the last day, you can say. And if we click on 5 day, it is going to cover the last 5 days of price action, or you can say price movement of the candles. If you go in the 1 month, it will show of 1 month. And if you see in the top, it will change automatically. So if I go in the 5 days, it will have the 5 minutes candles, because in the 5 days the candles are not that much, so they can cover as much as candles. So they have chosen the 5-minute time frame. But if I go in the 1 month, so in the 1 month there will be so much of candle, right? So they cannot create a 5-minute candle, because it will not get covered in the one screen. So what they have done, they have made candle to 30 minutes. So now each candle represents 30 minutes, right? So this is the 1 month of data. If I go in the 3 month, they have changed the candle to 1 hour, because again in 3 months there are so many price movements, so they cannot cover that in one screen with the 5 minutes candle or the 30 minutes candle. So what they have done, they have chosen 1 hour time interval candle. So if I go on 1 year, they have chosen automatically day. So each candle now represents a day. See, 4 October, 7 October, 9 October, 10 October. Here from 4 October, it is 7 October, because there might be some holiday of the stock exchange, that's why. So if you come here, 17 December, 18 December. So each candle represents 1 day. And if I click on all, they obviously cannot cover in the 1 day time candles. So what they did, the TradingView did, it just converted each candle to 1 month. Now the one each candle represents price movement of entire month. So this is the October candle, this is November candle, this is December candle, right? So this top section is for, you know, making the candle duration, after how many time, after how many intervals, or after how many minutes or hour you want the new candles to be formed, right? And the bottom sections, you know, it covers the area, or you can say a time, or you can say duration of the candles, right? Entire candles on the chart. So right now we are seeing this the moment this HDFC Bank was listed on the NSE. So this was on the around March or Feb, right? So it will show you the entire price movement which is available for the HDFC Bank. So that is how it can be done. There is one more feature in the trading view. Let's suppose you want to go to a particular date and want to see what November, 14 November. Let's suppose this is 1st of November. Yes, 1st of November 2017. So this was a candle which was created on the 1st of November. So this becomes handy if you want to go in the past for a particular date, right? So you don't have to scroll like manually. So that is how this time frame works in the trading view. So don't get confused why this is for the each candle creation, how after how many intervals you want to get created each candles creation, and this is the just the time frame, you know. This entire window should represent how much data of how many month or day. So I click on 1 month, it will be 1 month window. If I click on 6 month, it will be 6 month window, and based on the time frame of the window you choose, it will automatically, you know, make the candle creation time interval so that it can accommodate all the candles in that particular time frame. Like 6 months, they have to accommodate all the 6 months candle in one screen, so they have went for I think 2 hours, right? So that is how it works. So that is it for the time frame in the trading view. Please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Until then, enjoy this beautiful beach video after this video. Thank you.